Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Can I buy Bitcoins with Newton? Before we dive into that, let's take a step back and talk about what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, meaning it's not controlled by any government or bank. It's created and stored using a complex process called blockchain technology. So, why would you want to buy Bitcoin? Well, there are a few reasons. First, Bitcoin is a highly volatile asset, meaning its value can fluctuate a lot. This means that if you're looking for a way to invest your money and potentially make a profit, Bitcoin could be a good option. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved before investing in Bitcoin. Second, Bitcoin can be a good way to store your wealth. Unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by governments and banks, Bitcoin is decentralized and can't be easily confiscated. This makes it a good option for people who are looking for a way to protect their assets from inflation or government intervention. Finally, Bitcoin can be used to make payments. While it's not as widely accepted as traditional currencies, there are a growing number of businesses and individuals who accept Bitcoin as payment. This makes it a convenient way to make purchases online or in person. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get back to the question at hand. Can I buy Bitcoins with Newton? The answer is yes. Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin, as well as other cryptocurrencies. In fact, Newton is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in Canada. So, how do you buy Bitcoins with Newton? Here are the steps. Create an account with Newton. You can do this by going to the Newton website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Verify your identity. This is a necessary step to comply with KYC regulations. Add funds to your account. You can do this by linking your bank account or credit card. Buy Bitcoin. Once you've added funds to your account, you can buy Bitcoin by clicking on the Buy button. 1. Insider2u.com. Insider2u.com. That's all there is to it. Buying Bitcoins with Newton is easy and straightforward. In addition to buying Bitcoin, Newton also offers a number of other features, such as a low-fee trading platform, a user-friendly interface, a wide range of cryptocurrencies to choose from, the ability to store your Bitcoins in a secure wallet. If you're looking for a safe and reliable way to buy Bitcoins, Newton is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. Until next time.